I laughed the other day as I overheard my husband lovingly lecturing his 91-year-old grandmother. Cookies for breakfast? And then I thought, why can't we have cookies for breakfast? So I set to work in order to make all the well-meaning grandsons and sweet-toothed nanas happy. And I am here to tell y'all that indeed we can enjoy a delicious oatmeal cookie for breakfast that's going to be loaded with heart-healthy fats, fiber, and even a good bit of protein. Oh yeah, and I'm London, Brazil, and you're watching Evolving Table, where we make good food that's also good for you. Now, let's get to baking up those cookies. Much like with other drop and bake recipes, the steps for making these cookies are pretty easy to follow. You'll want to first whisk together the wet ingredients. For this, you'll need half a cup of pure maple syrup. Honey or agave nectar may also be used. 2 large eggs. 3/4 cup of mashed banana, or about 2 medium-sized ones. It's best if they're pretty ripe in order to get the most natural sweetness. The easiest way I've found to mash bananas is to place them in a Ziploc bag. Zip it almost all of the way up, leaving a little space for air to escape, and then squeeze them with your hands. Keep squeezing until there are no large clumps remaining. You'll also need to add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Be sure to wait just a little bit until the butter has cooled down so it doesn't cook the eggs. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk the ingredients until well combined. Next, add 1 3/4 cups of quick cooking oats. These are the best to use since they cook up the fastest. But you can also try half quick and half old-fashioned rolled oats if you'd like a chewier texture. Half a cup of flour. A gluten-free 1-to-1 blend can be used. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix with a spatula until everything is well incorporated. Now, this is where the fun starts. There's so many different add-ins that you can try, from dried fruits, nuts, shredded coconut, and seeds. Or even toss in some chocolate chips to make them a bit sweeter. Today I'm going to be adding in half a cup of coarsely chopped pecans, half a cup of unsweetened shredded coconut, half a cup of dried cranberries, and 1/4 cup of raw pumpkin seeds. Stir by hand until well combined. Scoop out approximately 2.5 to 3 tablespoons worth of dough and place on a large baking sheet that has been lined with a piece of parchment paper. Be sure to place them at least 1 inch apart as the cookies will spread slightly while baking. Bake the cookies in a preheated 350-degree oven for 14 to 15 minutes. You'll know they're done cooking when the edges are golden and the middle is no longer soft. Oh yes, guys, I think we nailed it. Tons of naturally sweet flavor while also being pretty healthy for us. If you want a few more early morning ideas, make sure you check out these other healthy breakfast recipes. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.